Assalamualaikum. Hello friends. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. This is Shaya. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. This is my 58th video. My ID now 177. Now I'm going to tell about myself. My name is Shaya. I'm in class K2. I'm 6 years old. My school name is philosophy, English Persian and English medium. My mother's name is Sofia Akhtar. My father's name is Arif Mihi. My mother and my father are teacher. My mother's school name is Oriol High School. My father's college name is Language College. I like gardening. My favorite flower is sunflower. My favorite fruit is mango and banana. My favorite sports is football. I play football sometimes. My best friend is Wasi. He is near my house. I play with him. I live in Rangoon. My hobby is drawing and singing. I want to be a scientist in future. That's all. Bye bye.